Let's break down the 2-hour workday, and can you actually earn a full-time income from home using it? Before we do that, hey, my name's Gregg. I'm a dad to 3 teens. I'm a husband. I love Jesus, and I am passionate about helping people make extra income online. So let's break down the 2-hour workday. First, I want you to imagine that you're back in high school. You've got your 6 or 7 periods throughout the day, and you're gonna go spend your first period in algebra. You're gonna do that for about 45 minutes, and then you have a break, and then you move on to English. Another 45 minutes, then you have another short break, and then you move on to, say, science, biology, whatever. But what's great about this is it was structured where you would be in a class for a set amount of time. We should think about our businesses the same way. When we're doing online business, for some reason we lose that structure. And a lot of times we feel overwhelmed because there's always something to do, or we're always compelled to do something. And that's where the 2-hour workday is so brilliant. The 2-hour workday gives you the ability to put structure back into your day, because the goal is not to work more, it's to work smart so that you can get your income producing activities done in 2 hours or less every single day. So we're gonna break up the 2-hour workday into 4 parts. The first part is content creation. We're going to produce 3 pieces of content a day to talk about our business, to talk about our journey, to help connect with our perfect customer. And we teach you how to do that. And that's going to be about an hour a day that you spend producing content and then posting to a social media platform. The second part is spending about 15 minutes responding back to comments on all of those videos that you're producing. So being able to build rapport with your perfect customers and being able to point them to where they can find out more information, which is sending them back to your automated system. Third, we're gonna spend 15 minutes taking videos from the day before, and we're gonna repurpose those to another platform. So we're gonna spend 15 minutes taking 1, maybe 2 videos and repurposing those to another platform. So like right now we're doing a YouTube challenge. So I'm taking my videos from the day before and I'm repurposing them to grow my YouTube channel. So now I have 2 social media platforms that I'm growing. And the last 30 minutes is when we're gonna spend some time going live. That's gonna give us a chance on how to share our story, connect with our perfect audience, being able to show them that you're a real person and that you're able to connect with them on a personal level. And we teach you all of this inside of the training. So those are the 4 main components to the 2-hour workday when you break it down. And when you look at it from that standpoint, you can break this up throughout the day. You can do it all at once. You can do 15 minutes here, you can do 30 minutes there. But now the next big question is, can you make a full-time income using the 2-hour workday? And the answer is a resounding yes. We have over 40,000 people within the digital growth community that are leveraging this to generate extra income each and every day. In fact, for the month of September, every single day this month, our community has been averaging $118,000 a day. $118,000 every single day. That's 100% commission going straight back into their pockets. So what if you could leverage one of the 4 done-for-you digital products? You could be earning $100 a day. That's $36,000 a year. Or maybe $300 a day. And that's $109,000 a year. What if you could average $600 a day? That would be over $218,000 a year. And what if you were able to average $900 a day? $328,000 per year. Guys, there are people within our community who did not know digital marketing 12 months ago, and they have generated multiple 6-figure incomes. And there's at least one person within our community that started less than 2 years ago, had no clue about digital marketing, had no clue about social media, and she has generated over 7 figures using this exact system. If you're interested in learning more about digital marketing and how you can leverage it to earn extra income, become part of this $118,000 a day and change your financial future, then comment ready down below and I would love to share the details with you.